Money is the most important thing. Why? Because when you have more money, you have more time. When you have more money, you can do more of what you love. You can also make the world a better place in the way that you think it should be. Money lets you do that. Not having money though, the amount of opportunity, the amount of effect that you can have on the world and the choices you have in your life are severely limited. Money is the most important thing. But, caveat here, obviously, it's to let you do the things that are true to you, and it's to let you help the world and help others, which is just a human urge that we have. We have to help other people. Relationships are part of being happy. Having an impact on our community and on the world is a part of being a happy, long-term, healthy, functional, fit, smart, intelligent, awesome, well-rounded human being. And this is why money's so important, because it's a tool to that end. It's not the end itself, and that's where you get all these things like money is evil. People think that getting the money will then buy them the happiness, right? So they focus on getting money as the end. But money's just a way to help you find happiness and impact and purpose. It's not the thing itself. It's a tool to get those things. Don't let anyone convince you that money's not important. At least from the baseline of when you don't have money and you're stressing about bills and crap like that, your life satisfaction goes way lower. When you get that stuff taken care of, and this is what all the research suggests, money is then not correlated to happiness. And I would agree with that to an extent for certain people. But generally, when you have purpose and passion and you can do something that, helps people, helps the world, right? You feel good as a result. The more money you have, the more you can do that. If you use it that way, and that's the problem. Most people think they need to use money, or they try to use money to fill the empty void in their psyche, in their chest, right? So they buy boats and planes and cars, and they do all this nonsense. Fancy trips, bottle service, fancy things to impress other people. That is an empty pit that will never be filled. And that's why that equation of buying things to take care of your life, or to give you life satisfaction, or to give you happiness, that is a broken equation. What they also say is when you have a lot of money, or when you come into money, it just makes you more of who you are, which is why it's so important to find purpose and passion in life based on those things, not based on money, right? You see so many people become lawyers because they want to get a high salary. What the fuck? Most people want to become doctors. You always need doctors and they make a lot of money. Not necessarily because they want to help people or save people. That's why you can have some doctors that absolutely love working 90, 100 hours a week because they're there to help people and they get satisfaction out of that. And they happen to make money as a result. But then you have people that can't stand it. They're overworked, they're stressed. They write their patients off. They just write scripts left and right. They don't enjoy what they're doing because they went into it for the wrong reasons. They're focused on the wrong things. They're focused on maybe their income and, trips on the weekend. How can they spend that money to have a nice car and house or whatever? There's a lot here. Sure, there's a lot. Find your purpose and your passion in the thing that fires you up. Don't be ashamed of trying to get as much damn money as possible. Obviously, getting money, and the process of getting it, you want to still stay true to yourself. You don't want to sacrifice your values. You don't want to do things that are going to risk life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness. So don't break the law, pretty much. And make the point to have money as a means to buy the life and make the world the place you want. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna have more of this every single day. Take action. Don't just watch this video and click on the next video and just forget about it. Write something down. Leave a sticky note for yourself. Make an iPhone reminder and a phone reminder. Make a Google Calendar reminder that shoots you an email to do something. Take action. Don't sit around. Life is too short. And remind yourself that tomorrow you could be dead. Tomorrow your family could be dead. Tomorrow the world could be gone. It can happen. Do something about it.